Welcome back to Tech and Gadget Reviews. If you're looking to take your running routine to the next level, a treadmill is an essential addition to your home gym. Today we're reviewing the top 10 best treadmills for running that will help you achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned runner, these treadmills offer various features from auto incline to foldable designs. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know more about the price and other details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. WELLFIT Auto Incline Treadmill. The WELLFIT Auto Incline Treadmill is perfect for those who want a versatile, high-performance treadmill. With the motorized incline feature, you can easily adjust the incline level to simulate uphill running, providing a more challenging workout. Its spacious running surface and cushioned deck ensure comfort during long runs, reducing impact on your joints. The treadmill also features a digital display that tracks time, speed, distance, and calories burned, making it easy to monitor your progress. The compact design is perfect for home use, and its folding mechanism allows for easy storage. Whether you're training for a race or just aiming to stay fit, the WELLFIT Auto Incline Treadmill is a solid choice. HARISON Senior Home Treadmill. The HARISON Senior Home Treadmill is designed with seniors in mind, offering a low-impact, easy-to-use experience. Its wide running surface and cushioned deck provide a comfortable, stable run, reducing strain on the joints and making it ideal for gentle walking or light jogging. The treadmill features an adjustable speed range, allowing you to start slow and gradually increase intensity. It also comes with a large LCD display that shows your workout data, including speed, distance, and calories burned. The compact design and foldable feature make it easy to store in small spaces, making it perfect for seniors looking to maintain an active lifestyle at home. WELLFIT 2-Level Incline Treadmill. The WELLFIT 2-Level Incline Treadmill offers a great combination of versatility and performance for those who want to mix up their workouts. With 2 incline settings, you can simulate uphill running or walking to intensify your exercise routine. The treadmill features a powerful motor and a spacious running deck that provides plenty of room for comfortable running or walking. The easy-to-read digital display tracks important stats like time, distance, speed, and calories burned, while the built-in speakers allow you to enjoy your favorite tunes while you work out. Whether you're training for a race or just aiming to stay fit, this treadmill offers the features you need for a great workout.
BestGod Underdesk Treadmill. The BestGod Underdesk Treadmill is perfect for those who want to stay active while working. This compact treadmill fits neatly under most desks, allowing you to walk or jog while you work from home or in the office. With a quiet motor, you won't disturb your surroundings, making it ideal for multitasking. The treadmill features a simple digital display that tracks your walking speed, time, and calories burned. Its slim design makes it easy to store when not in use, and its durable construction ensures a stable, smooth walk. If you're looking for a treadmill that fits into your busy lifestyle, the BestGod Underdesk Treadmill is a great choice. XTERRA Folding Smart Treadmill. The XTERRA Folding Smart Treadmill offers a full range of features for runners and walkers alike. This treadmill comes with a large running deck, ideal for running comfortably at any speed. Its motor provides quiet yet powerful operation, and the incline feature allows you to add more intensity to your workouts. The smart console syncs with fitness apps to track your progress, and the treadmill's Bluetooth capability allows for wireless connection with devices like your phone or tablet. The foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use, saving valuable space in your home. The XTERRA Folding Smart Treadmill is perfect for those looking for a high-tech, compact option.
300 lbs Folding Treadmill 3.0. The 300 lbs Folding Treadmill 3.0 offers exceptional performance and durability, designed to support users up to 300 pounds. With the 3.0 HP motor, this treadmill provides a smooth, powerful running experience, making it ideal for intense workouts. The motorized incline allows you to simulate uphill running for a more challenging routine. The treadmill features a spacious running surface and a shock-absorbing deck that reduces impact on your joints. The foldable design ensures easy storage when not in use, while the built-in digital display tracks your workout stats. If you need a sturdy, reliable treadmill for running, the 300 lbs Folding Treadmill is an excellent choice.
Sunny Health Foldable Treadmill. The Sunny Health Foldable Treadmill is perfect for those with limited space. Its foldable design allows for easy storage after use, while the durable construction ensures it can withstand your running sessions. The treadmill features a smooth motor that delivers consistent speed for both walking and running. With a wide running deck and adjustable incline, you can vary your workouts to challenge yourself. The easy-to-read digital monitor tracks time, speed, distance, and calories burned, making it simple to monitor your fitness progress. Whether you're walking, jogging, or running, the Sunny Health Foldable Treadmill is a great option for any home gym.
Lifepro PawRunner Dog Treadmill. The Lifepro PawRunner Dog Treadmill is designed for pet owners who want to keep their furry friends fit. With its adjustable speed and incline settings, it provides a great way for your dog to exercise indoors. The treadmill features a spacious running surface and low-noise motor, making it comfortable and quiet for your pet. It's also equipped with a safety feature that stops the treadmill if your pet runs too fast or too far. Whether you're training a high-energy dog or just helping your pet stay active, the Lifepro PawRunner Dog Treadmill is the perfect solution for pet fitness at home. 3.0 HP Folding Treadmill Blue. The 3.0 HP Folding Treadmill Blue is a reliable and powerful treadmill designed for running and walking. With a 3.0 HP motor, this treadmill delivers consistent performance even during intense workouts. The motorized incline feature allows you to adjust the slope for added challenge, and the large running deck ensures comfort throughout your session. The treadmill folds easily for storage, making it a great option for home gyms with limited space. The digital display tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping you monitor your progress. If you're looking for a durable, space-saving treadmill, the 3.0 HP Folding Treadmill Blue is a great choice. Auto Incline Folding Treadmill. The Auto Incline Folding Treadmill offers an excellent combination of performance and convenience. Its motorized incline feature lets you increase the intensity of your workouts by simulating uphill running. The treadmill provides a spacious running surface and a cushioned deck for joint protection, ensuring a comfortable running experience. It also includes a digital display that tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories burned. The foldable design makes it easy to store, saving valuable space in your home. With a smooth motor and adjustable features, the Auto Incline Folding Treadmill is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance treadmill.
That wraps up our review of the 10 best treadmills for running. Whether you're looking for a treadmill with an incline feature, a foldable design, or a smart console, there's a great option on this list for you. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for more details and prices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Thanks for watching Tech and Gadget Reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.